Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple is not available in your country or region on iPhone. So if you want to fix that, just open up your settings, then scroll down a little bit, tap on general, then scroll the road down. Then the first thing you check is your VPN and device management. Tap on it. Check if you are connected to any type of VPN that might restrict you from downloading any app on your Apple Store or install any app on your Apple Store. If it is a VPN, then just cancel it, because sometimes your VPN might be country restricted. For example, now you want to download a particular app and you're connected to a VPN from India, so you might not be able to have access to that particular app from the country, because you are connected to a VPN which is not meant for your region. So if you're connected to a VPN, just turn it off. Or if you are using a setup VPN on your device, just turn it off, since that is the problem of install have from your region. Once you do that, just go back again, time on date, and tap on date and time. Then make sure that this particular date and time is set to automatically. Make sure you set it to automatically, because this allows Apple to detect your current location. So if this is turned off, just try and turn it on. Once you have it on, then you can also come back to this option, which is language and region. Make sure this is accurate to the current location you have. If you're in the United States, you can simply change this to United States. If you are in another part of the world, maybe India, and you want to download a particular app there just to use it for a specific reason, and you know that this is the current location that is fixed to this particular phone, you might want to change it to manual, just to avoid app not installed in the region which you find yourself. So once you do that, then restart your phone. Then if app is not available as well, just go to your Apple Store. Go to your Apple Store right here. Just open your Apple Store, then tap on the name icon, then tap on your profile. Tap on your profile, then input your Apple ID password or your Face ID. Once you input it, then you find an option where you can change your country or your region. Just input the current region which you find yourself, then go back again and refresh your phone or restart your phone. Then log back to your Apple Store. Then you can now download or install the app, which is not